people. So, as of yesterday, there was this show called Street Food Latin America. That, considering now with all this lockdown, street food is just like a distant dream for most of us, like stepping out of home and all. So, when you watch the street food Latin America, it will like make you hungry because it is the street food Asia on these are shows on Netflix, like. So street food Asia had covered all the regions in Southeast Asia, but street food Latin America is all about Brazil and Colombia, and Peruvian food. So it's just so amazing, yeah, like the food that is like a lot of seafood is the street food there, and coconut is the base and all. And my god, just talking about it is making me hungry. So try and catch it, people. It's called Street Food Latin America, and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.